We are on the hunt for finding the best affordable advent calendars, and in this video we are going to be unboxing another Essence advent calendar. With the rising prices, advent calendars are even more expensive, and this one here retails for $37, which is a little bit pricey for Essence. And make sure to stay until the end of this video. We are going to calculate the overall value of all the products to see if they cost more than $37. And this one here is called Make My Heart Sparkle. The packaging is very similar to the Santa's Sweetest Surprises that we have already unboxed. It is super adorable. We also have 24 products, and that means approximately each product costs about $1.54. For Essence, it is so and so. The nice thing with the packaging is that it is perfect for a gift, and also it is super girly to give it to your niece or someone younger, a teenager. And about our guessing game, this year I'm not doing so well, so for this one I'm going to say 6 right guesses.
Hopefully.
Let's find door number 1. It's not in the first layer. Oh, it's here. What can it be? This one looks like a lip balm. Let's find out. Pum 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 pum. Interesting. Maybe this? It's super pretty. And this one is the pH reacting lip glow. I think it is a lip balm. It's so sparkly. Sadly, my tip is not super smooth. Most likely a factory mistake. It doesn't really smell, and I'm curious about the color. And we also have some glitter. Now let's find door number 2. Ooh, it's this one. I'm gonna say a liquid lipstick. If I ever find a way to open it. Oop.
What is this?
Ooh, it's a creamy eyeliner. The design is super cute. Okay, I'm curious if it is. Oh, it's the product that we had a few years back. I really liked that. It was discontinued. And we have an angle brush. You don't really see the product. I'm super happy that we have this. Door number 3.
Oh boy.
I think the size of the door is misleading, so I'm gonna say a nail file. Oh, it's not a nail file. And this one is the Soft Touch eyeshadow shader brush. Oh, and we have this beautiful pouch. I'm very curious if we have the same brushes with the Santa's Sweetest Surprises advent calendar. Oh, it's the same. It's super cute. I really like it. Following that, door number 4 is nowhere to be found. Oh, found it. What can it be? Maybe a blush or a highlighter? It's neither. And this one is the Silky eyeshadow topper that we also had in the previous advent calendar. It also feels the same, as dusty as the other eyeshadow topper. So let's go to door number 5 now. Ta-dam! Oh, it is a nail polish. I remember the door from the other advent calendar. Ta-da! And as it seems, it is exactly the same. So this is a mini white glitter nail polish. Super pretty. Door number 6 next. What can it be? Oh, I know. It is the eyeshadow crayon. It's not. I was so certain. This one is a pH reacting blush stick, and it is the same that we had in the previous Essence advent calendar. It doesn't smell. That's okay. It would be nice if we had a different color. Door number 7 next, and it says subscribe. For more unboxing videos. I'm also planning to post some more makeup fun videos. You're gonna see. Subscribe. This one looks like a small face palette. Is it gonna be a small face palette? Let's find out. Yeah. Nope. So this is the Lash separator. What is this? Oh, it's gonna be that weird fork brush. The packaging is super cute. I have one more like this. I'm always afraid to use it. To be honest, it feels a little bit cheapish just because it is very lightweight, but it is well made. Let's find door number 8. Maybe a lipstick. And it's not a lipstick. It's not. This one is the highlighting pen. It is a small eye crayon basically. We had this in the previous advent calendar as well, and you can use it to highlight your eyes. The size of it is very useful and it doesn't smell. That's nice. On the same layer we have door number 9. I think it's gonna be a lipstick, maybe a red one. I'm very optimistic. And this is the nail repair balm. It is super cute. We don't have a sealing sticker, and also the product is coming out. And it's very lightweight and spreadable. That's nice. It smells amazing. It is like strawberries and candies. And this tiny product contains 5 milliliters. I think it's okay for a nail product. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Is this a tiny product? A full size for nails? Okay, door number 10. Oh, I know what it is. Nail stickers. Yeah, we always have nail stickers. No, not again. So this one is a lip scrub pad. We had exactly the same product in the other advent calendar. It's super soft. So far I have guessed correctly only 2 products. I'm hoping I can reach my goal this time. Door number 11. Where are you? I would say a brush, but I don't think it's a brush. Maybe an eye pencil?
It's not an eye pencil.
This one is the lipstick crayon, the same color that we had in the other advent calendar. Very nice for basically any makeup look that you want to create. And again, you can see this is not a full size, but also not a mini size. You can use it so many times basically. And we have here door number 12. It is exactly the same with door number 2 that we had a creamy eyeliner. I'm gonna say an eye pencil again. No, I was so close. It is a soft lip liner. Ooh, it looks super nice. And it is super creamy again. Door 13. It is definitely a nail polish. Let's hope it is, because we need some right guesses. Yay! Fireworks! And this one is the mini red nail polish. Next, let's go to door number 14. It is definitely a brush. And this one is a soft touch eyebrow spoolie brush. I'm guessing it's exactly the same brush with the other advent calendar. Come on, spoolie. Oh, and again it came like this because it doesn't fit in the pouch. The handle is so aesthetically pleasing. Hearts everywhere. Following that, door 15. Oh, I think it's gonna be an eye pencil. Yay! And this one is a precise kajal pencil, super creamy and a very nice shade for a smoky eye look. Right up next we have door 16. Oh, I didn't say. Eye mask. Sheet mask. I don't know. Oh, yeah. It's not. And we have here the hand care treatment. Yeah, it smells nice, even with the sticker. Door 17. Where are you now? Oh, done. Nail file. I don't think it is, but I don't have another idea. Oh, it's not. And this one is a lip tint. Again, we had it in the other advent calendar. It's a very beautiful shade that everyone can use. I also like the packaging. Oh, it smells so good. Vanilla, caramelly, something sweet. Now let's go to door 18. A sheet mask, something like that. And this is not. We have here the sparkling heart makeup bag. Ooh, it's so cute. I really like the fabric. Yeah, here we have some threads, but it is super pretty. And you can never have enough makeup bags. $19. I'm hoping it is a blush. Maybe it is a highlighter like we had in the other advent calendar. Oh, so we have a concealer sponge duo. Let's see if we have exactly the same. Yes, they are like little snowmans.
I really like them.
They are very soft. Let's go now to door 20. Okay, I'm gonna say again a highlighter or a blush. And we have a highlighter. Ooh, it's so pretty. It reminds me one of my favorite highlighters by Essence that they had a few years ago, and of course it is discontinued. It feels very dry. It's actually super smooth. It's very reflecting. Door 21. It's a nail polish. I know it, you know it, everybody knows it. Ta-da! Yay! Fireworks!
And a lot of dust.
And this is a mini iridescent nail top coat. I love top coats like this one. So 22. What can it be? Oh, I know. Nail stickers. We always have nail stickers. It's not.
Fail again.
And we have here the hydrating face primer. Oh, it has a very intense scent. It's very flowery. Up next, door 23. It looks like a lip product. Maybe a lip balm or a lipstick. Oh, well, I was very close. And this is the Shiny Lip Plumper in this beautiful bubble pink color. The scent is very similar to the Juicy lip glosses by Essence and also the packaging. And let's continue with door 24. I'm gonna say an eyeshadow palette. And it is dun-dun-dun! The packaging is super cute. And this one is the metallic eyeshadow palette.
Metallic.
Dun-dun-dun! We don't have only metallic eyeshadows. That's nice. This is super smooth. And oh, ooh, the third color. What is happening? They are actually super creamy. So we don't have a crease color, but you can create so many eye looks. I guessed correctly, 8 products. I almost reached the goal today. Fireworks! And the overall value is $57. I'm gonna give this advent calendar 4.5 stars. I think it is a little bit better than the previous Essence advent calendar. Drop in the comments which advent calendar is your favorite so far, and make sure to watch this video as well.